All right, everybody. So today we are talking about functions and function tables. Okay, so this week and next week we're going to talk about functions. Now today is just going to be basically on the tables. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do the function tables. All right. So what is a function to start it off? Okay, so a function is a process or a relation that is associated each element x to a single element y. So it's basically a process that we use uh, for our x and our y coordinates. All right, so let's see an example. So let's say I have a function y equals x plus 3. Okay, y equals x plus 3. This is my function. All right, so the definition pretty much says if you have an element x, it goes to the element y. So a function has a input. X is our input, and it should give me a y, which is our output. Now, x is also known as the domain, and y is also known as the range. Okay, so I input an x, and a y value will come out. So let's come up with some random inputs. Let's say 0, 1, 2. Okay, so if I input 0 into this function, I will have y equals 0 plus 3. All right. Now, 0 plus 3 is 3. Therefore, my y would be 3. Same thing here. Y equals. And this time I'm going to put a different input. My input is 1 here. So 1 plus 3. And it equals 4. Y equals. Let's do the second one, or the third one, number 2. 2 plus 3. That equals 5. So notice I just input my x here every time where the x is in my function. So my new chart should be, let's just rewrite the chart. 0 goes to 3, 1 goes to 4, 2 goes to 5. Now, if I were to put these coordinates in a coordinate setup, then it would be what? 0, 3, 1, 4, and 2, 5. Okay, so let's look at a chart real quick. Let's say this is my function. All right, and I have to put in 3 for the first one, -5. That's my input, I should say. Input is 3. Therefore, it should be -15 plus 8, -7. Let's try this one. -5 times -8 plus 8 equals, this is what, 40, right? Plus 8 is 48. Okay. And this doesn't have to be in order. As you can see, this one isn't in order. But most times they are. It does not have to be in order, though. All right. -5 times -4 is 20 plus 8, 28. Okay. 8 times, I'm sorry, -5 times 8. Make sure you put your x in the right spot. Plus 8. So this is now -40 plus 8, -32. Here we have -5 times -3 plus 8. That's what, -15 plus 8? What's that? Negative, no, that's positive 15 plus 8. Correct? Negative times negative is positive 15 plus 8. You should get 23. All right, so this is how we do our charts. Okay, so put your input into the function and you should get an output here. Input, output. Okay.